This is the elevator at Dillard's, Galleria, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Here's the elevator sign. Directory. Here it is. We got a Dover modern with innovation. What's this button right here? It's a modern Dover Impulse. And it's golden too. Nice. Remember this is a Dover Impulse I saw it during the mod as well. It was 2016 when H&M opened that this elevator got modded. Here it is. Oh wow. This is a really nice elevator. Here. On the floor. 3,500 pound capacity. Here's your certificate. The expiration date was 2018. Wow, this is a really nice elevator. Back down to one. Sorry. Next time. What floor are you going to?
Bottom.
3?
Or you want no, 1.
1. I'm just keeping a safe distance from you, so I'll just button down. Looks like our tea.